Good morning guys, in front of me is Honor Pad X8 and let me show you how to set up date and time on this device. So at first open the settings, then find and select System and Updates and go to Date and Time. Now switch off automatic date and time and now you can smoothly manage it manually by yourself. So let's go back to 2008, tap on OK to apply, and that's it. It has been changed. And with time you can perform just the same trick, smoothly pick the hour that you want to apply, and it is done. Then you can also manage your time zone if you want to. Also the same way, you just have to pick the time zone in which you want to have your device in. So that's it, that will be all. Whenever you want to go back to automatic setup, just use those switchers. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.